Stop scrolling. If you're looking for a genuine, easy way to turn spare time into real, instant cash, then Yupp.ai is for you. This innovative platform offers a unique opportunity to earn by interacting with and evaluating AI models, making it a cutting-edge way to monetize your free moments. This innovative app offers rewards through interactive scratch cards, and for our Indian audience, direct UPI transfers are available alongside PayPal for international users. Yupp.ai stands out by providing a gamified earning experience where your feedback on AI responses translates into tangible rewards directly deposited into your preferred account. I'm going to show you the entire process, including live withdrawal proof, so get ready to scratch your way to your next online earning success. Here at the prompt, I'm searching the best cake place in Singapore. It gave me result from the best of 2 AI tool. Looking at the details and summary at the end, I prefer Gemini 2.5 Pro output better. So I choose that, and it presented me with a scratch card, and upon scratching, I got 394 Yupp credits. These credits you can withdraw to your bank account using PayPal or UPI. Next, go to Profile, click Cash Out button, and it will ask you how much credits you wanted to transfer. I selected 10,000 Yupp credits, which is equivalent to 10 Singapore dollar to my PayPal account. Since my PayPal account is connected already, money transferred instantly. Yupp.ai is a performance-based rewards platform focusing on simple micro tasks that anyone can complete on their phone or desktop. It's designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to contribute to AI improvement while earning credits for your valuable input. Jumping to my PayPal account, I've $5.17 already and transferred $10 now, so it should be $15.17. Let's refresh the window and we can see updated balance. These micro tasks include categorizing images, quick data verification, or providing feedback on products available 24/7. You'll be presented with 2 AI-generated responses and simply choose the better one, explaining your choice to earn credits. You can also earn by referring friends, earning a percentage when they complete tasks. The referral program is a fantastic way to boost your earnings by sharing the opportunity with others, creating a network of earners. Every time you complete a task, you receive a digital scratch card. This unique feature adds an element of excitement and surprise to your earning journey, making each task completion a potential win. The scratch card system is Yupp.ai's unique selling proposition, gamifying the earning process with random but guaranteed rewards. It transforms the routine of providing feedback into an engaging and potentially lucrative experience, setting it apart from other earning apps. You can win anything from small bonus amounts to significant cash prizes, adding an exciting element to your earnings. The randomness of the scratch cards means every interaction could lead to a substantial reward, keeping the experience fresh and motivating. The potential reward inside these cards often exceeds the baseline task payment, making it a rewarding risk-reward strategy. By strategically choosing tasks, you can significantly increase your overall earnings and make the most of your time on Yupp.ai. Consistency is key. Completing 5 to 10 tasks daily will quickly stack up those scratch cards. Regular engagement not only helps you earn more credits, but also ensures you maintain access to the cash out features, making your efforts truly pay off. Now, for the moment of truth, getting your money into your pocket. Yupp.ai offers fantastic regional support, ensuring that users worldwide can easily access their earnings. This commitment to accessible payouts makes Yupp.ai a truly global earning platform. It has limited number of payout throughout the month, which you can see on your screen. The minimum withdrawal threshold is very low, making it easy to cash out quickly. With a minimum payout threshold of just 6,000 credits, which is nominally worth $6, you won't have to wait long to see your earnings in your account. This live demonstration proves the speed and efficiency of Yupp.ai's withdrawal process, especially for PayPal users. This proves Yupp.ai is legitimate, fast, and reliable, especially for PayPal users, offering quick cash without complicated bank transfers. The platform's commitment to prompt payouts builds trust and ensures a positive earning experience for everyone. For users in India, the best option is UPI. This is why Yupp.ai is gaining immense popularity in the region, offering a seamless and familiar withdrawal method that resonates with local users. Simply enter your desired amount and your UPI ID, and the transfer is often near instantaneous. This convenience makes Yupp.ai an incredibly attractive option for Indian users looking for quick and reliable access to their earnings. So what's the final verdict on Yupp.ai? It offers simple, mobile-friendly microtasks and exciting randomized scratch card rewards. It's a unique blend of AI evaluation and gamified earning, making it both productive and enjoyable. Encashment is fast and verified, with both UPI and PayPal options readily available. The flexibility in withdrawal methods caters to a global audience, ensuring that everyone can easily access their earnings, regardless of their location. If you're serious about earning a reliable side income from your mobile phone, Yupp.ai is a platform you must try. It provides a legitimate and engaging way to contribute to AI development while earning real money in your spare time. I have dropped my referral code for Yupp.ai in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to kickstart your earning journey with an extra reward. Like this video if you found this proof helpful, comment below your biggest scratch card win, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and share successful earning strategies with the community. I'll see you in the next video. Happy scratching and keep exploring Yupp.ai.